In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to link Spotify to Instagram Notes. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram, then navigate to the messages page. Once you're over here at the very top, you're gonna find the notes section. Click on that, then click on the music option. You'll get this kind of pop-up, link Spotify at the very top. Click on that. Instagram wants to open Spotify, click on open. Now Instagram will prompt you to link your Spotify account. Click on agree. Once that's done, your Spotify account is officially linked to Instagram. Now open Spotify and play any song you like. After that, switch back to Instagram and you will see an option that says share from Spotify. Tap on it, hit share, and just like that, the song you are playing will appear in your Instagram note. That's it. This way you can easily link Spotify to Instagram notes. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.